Hello, and welcome to QuickTechie AI Interview Selection Engine. In this we will check next round of interview for candidate. We have already seen first and second round in previous video. Let's go to Interview Operations Center. In this we will now select third round of interview. As shown, you can copy and paste your interview information, and you can directly share with candidate with whatever medium you prefer like WhatsApp, email, etc. Another convenient way is email and share. As a recruiter, you click on email and share and it can send interview detail to candidate's email ID, which is shown in pop-up you can see, so you can always use copy info or email and share option. Avoid clicking email and share button multiple times. It will unnecessarily confuse candidate and recruiter with multiple emails for same interview round. Now candidate can go to their email box, and they would have received an email from QuickTechie for the given interview round. Candidate will open this email and they can see the unique interview round link and a unique code. As a next step, candidate will click on the link and then it should open a new window. Once window is opened, candidate can see two fields for the form. They need to enter their email ID, which is registered with recruiter, and unique code which they have received in email. Candidate will fill in both the detail and submit to launch interview round screen. Now in the left pane, candidate can see the link for demo video, and in the right pane candidate see a button to start interview, as well as all the instructions for appear in the interview. As candidate click on the start interview exam button, QuickTechie AI engine will initiate generating highly contextualized programming questions for given job descriptions, as this interview round is highly focused on programming exam. If you are from software engineering background, then only as a recruiter you should use this type of interview. As you can see, once candidate click, it can take 10 to 15 minutes to generate the interview round. After waiting for couple of minutes, candidate can see this screen. Also, please note candidate has to finish this exam in one sitting. As you know, this are programming questions, and while setting up the interview, you have selected programming language as Java. So all questions are generated for Java programming based on given job description. Again, there are 25 to 30 different set of questions will be presented to candidate. In the right top, you can see and countdown time starts after launching the interview, and that is the time limit for interview. And below that is video recording which candidate must keep it on. And then these are the instructions for interview round. This is a demonstration video, therefore we will not go through each question in detail and start answering questions randomly. Let's give random answer to all questions. Even any time during the exam you can change the answer to your questions, so candidate will have enough time to answer questions. Once candidate submit the exam, it will be submitted, and recruiter can see in their dashboard the status of interview. Now, as a recruiter, you visit your dashboard and in that, go to Interview Operations Center. Select the job for which recruitment is going on, and they can see that interview status is assess, and they can click the button Assess Interview button to evaluate the interview. However, in this case, recruiter does not have enough balance, they cannot evaluate the interview. First, they need to acquire the enough credit, then they can process interview further. If recruiter want to add credit, they can visit plan section and purchase your subscription to have enough credit. Now, recruiter had added enough credit. He can go back to its interview operations center and evaluate the interview. Now after evaluation, recruiter can see that candidate has scored 46% marks in this interview. Go back to interview center. Let's download the PDF report of the candidate interview. As we can see in the PDF report, entire detail available, and in the third round of interview section, you can see the entire detail again like interview type, interview start time, interview end time in UTC, and overall interview duration, and then FINA. Evaluation of interview, for instance 46% score. Recruiter can decide whether to consider the pass or fail. However, we recommend consider 70% as passing score for the multiple choice exam. Thanks for watching demonstration, and please do consider QuickTechie AI interview selection engine for your interview.